Hey guys, Double Ninja here, and today I'm going to be opening this shiny Rayquaza EX box for you guys. So we have the shiny Rayquaza there, and some of them, tell me in the comments, but some of them, they had like a Mega Rayquaza in the back, and mine just has a normal EX. So I'm just going to get this open. Jeez, this glue is hard. Alright, hold on. Alright, here we go. Just open. Please, I want to get something good. In the past two ones, we didn't get anything. Here's the giant card. Then we can slide on, put to the side. All the packs fell on the ground. Let's go pick these up. Here's a code if you guys want. No, I'm just setting it up and it took forever. So here's the Mega Rayquaza promo card. I'm gonna put this on the ground so I know which ones are special. Let's go start with the Primal Clash booster pack. Here you guys go. Three from the back is a card trick. Kakuna, Whiscash, I never pulled that one. Archie's Ace in the Hole, Solrock, Clamperl, Nidoran, Tangela, Illumise, Reverse Spinda, and then a Pro Bowl Pass. So nothing from that one. Now we have a Fates Collide. Okay, I just knocked my iPad down and it fell. I'm gonna go set this up. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Here we go. Let's go open this. I like to open it backwards so I don't see whatever card's in front. So here is the code. 1, 2, 3. Special Energy Strong. I don't know how to pronounce that. Helix Fossil, whatever. Lullaby, Coughing, Spoink, Diglett, Larvitar, Reverse Helix Fossil, and Delphox. Oh, Hollow Delphox. I actually need this. Alright, so keep this here with the claws. So now there's another Primal Clash. Nidoqueen, Acrobike, I'm gonna switch, or I'm gonna throw it hollow for a second. Macargo, Horsey, Corphish, Surskit, Marill, Torchic, Reverse Seadra, and then Full Art Medicham. Alright, hold on. Bro's calling me. Hold on, I'm gonna go organize this right here. Hold on. So if we keep this here, now we have a Roaring Skies with Gardevoir on the front. What? Here. Tropius, Tranquil, Revive, Swablu, Voltorb, Togepi, Shuppet, Spearow, Reverse Shuppet, and then oh! Hydreigon EX, let's go. We finally got an EX in one of these boxes. Let's go. Let's go put this right here. That was a good pack. Alright, breakthrough. There. Card trick. Let's go. We finally got an EX in one of these packs. Print Plup. Wait, I just put that in the wrong pile. Skyla. Galley Spirit Link. Pansear. Axew. Remoraid. Pikachu. Hoot Hoot. Reverse Routes. And then a Hollow Chestnut. Not bad. Alright. Last pack, Ancient Origins. Please contain something good. Alright, so let's go open this. There you guys go. This code. Metang. Hex Maniac. Rodon. Inkay. Oddish, Beldum, Goomy, Meowth, Combi, and a reverse. Oh, I can't pronounce that. So here are all the cards that we got. Virizion, Hollow Chestnut, Hollow Delphox, Hydreigon EX, and the promo card Rayquaza. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, leave a like, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.